Hi everyone. In this session we are going to learn about articles and especially going to focus on an. Then let's go to the topic. Articles. Basically articles are divided into two types, that is definite article and the indefinite article. Definite article, indefinite article. The is a definite article, a and an indefinite article. Then sun, moon, Everest is the examples for definite article the. Boy, girl, pen is the example for article a. Apple, ant, elephant is an examples for article an. This is the brief clarification about a and the. A and is the indefinite article and the is a definite article. Remember, all the articles, whatever it is a or an or the, we used articles before singular nouns. Then go to a. Article A used before consonant sounds, not before a consonant letters. Remember this word, not before consonant letters. We have to focus on consonant sounds only. Consonants letters are 21 letters. We have 21 letters for consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So we have 21 letters but we have 24 sounds. That's why I am repeatedly saying focus on sounds only, not on the letters. Next one, an. An is used before vowel sounds, not before the vowel letters. We have only 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U. So, but vowels have 20 sounds. There are only 5 letters but giving 20 sounds. That's why focus on sounds. Next one, the. The is a definite article used when people spoke of a person, a place or a thing already mentioned, or things or person in a particular situation. Then let's go to the vowel sounds. Clarification about vowel sounds. A. Apple, ant, axe, ass. Apple, ant, axe, ass. These words are starts with the vowel letter and also giving vowel sounds. That way we used article an. Before vowel sounds we have to use an. Then E sounds. Egg, elephant. Egg, elephant. These words are starts with the E but giving sound A. A is also a vowel sound. That's why vowel sounds. Before vowel sounds we used and here. And the next example is eagle. Eagle. The sound is E. So E is also a vowel sounds. That's why we used and here. Look at here carefully. Euro. E-U-R-O, euro. E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N, European. These two words are starts with the E but giving the sound of consonants like U means Y. So that's why here we are used A here. So the letter is vowel letter but giving consonant sounds. That's why we used A here. Let's focus on I sounds. Ink, ink bottle. Ink, ink bottle. So letter, vowel letter and the sound also vowel sound. That why we use and. Next one, O sounds. Orange, orphan, ox. Orange, orphan, ox. This is the vowel letter and also giving vowel sounds. So that's why we used an here. But here 1 rupee, 100. So 1, the letter, the word is starts with the O. but it's giving V sound. So that's why va. It is a consonant sound. That's why we used A here. So vowel letter but giving consonant sounds. That's why we used article A here. Let's focus on last one, that is U. Umbrella. Umbrella. U. Here U is pronounced like a. So a is also a vowel sound. That's why vowel letter and also vowel sound. That's why we used an here. And the next examples are, observe here carefully, union, unit, uniform, union, unit, uniform. So here the words, these three words are starts with the vowel letter, that is U, but giving consonant sound like Y. U means Y. So the letter is vowel but giving consonant sound. That's why we used article A. Vowel letter but giving consonant sounds. That's why we use A. Please remember this one, what it is. Focus on only sounds, not on the letters. We used and before vowel sounds only. We used a before consonant sounds only. Understand? If you understand, observe these and practice the questions, so you will get clear clarity about sounds. Okay, thank you.